And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is right now Monday, May 16th, 2022, 5:30 p.m. and we're here at the old port of Montreal. And we got some storms coming, the first ones of the year. Look at that sky, but I'm focusing on this way, which is to the west of here, because that's where we got our lightning strikes going on. And we are going to be going towards that to get some good video. And right now I'm on the bike path here, and the rain is beginning to fall, which is not really a problem for me because well, the rain really doesn't bother me. It may affect my ability to film though, because of course my phone is waterproof, but it's still sensitive to water for the screen. So I could be filming and some water could get on my screen and it may suddenly stop filming, but I'm going to continue as best as I can here. We're going to head towards the storm, towards the west, and if we need to take shelter, we got some bridges coming up here from the train tracks, and we even have a bridge here which I hope we don't have to go into right away, because I do want to get some footage of this storm. First, I guess you could say first significant thunder action of the year. One more look here at the old port. And definitely we got some interesting weather on the way. There's a lightning strike right there actually. Here, we'll go through here, it's safer, so I don't have to worry about any fellow cyclists or pedestrians, and we get a wider shot here of everything. Look at that sky, beautiful. We are under a severe thunderstorm watch, but I have a feeling this is going to be upgraded to a warning, especially with this thunderstorm moving in here. And they've been brewing all day. There's been significant thunderstorm activity all around, I guess, the northeast of North America, upper New York, Maine, more towards New York State, and also in Ontario. There's a nice lightning strike right there. And what I'll do at the end of this video, if I'm able to, I'll try to isolate each lightning strike, or I'll do a separate video just with the isolated lightning strikes. But I think we're in a good location right now to film, and if needed we do have some shelter under this bridge right here where the train tracks are. So I think I'm going to hold my position here and get some video from this location. I'll head to where this bridge is. It's not raining heavy right now, but the thing is, usually when there is a thunderstorm, heavy precipitation occurs at the same time. And you know, it'd be so nice if there was a thunderstorm without a lot of rain. And the best way to observe that is if there's a thunderstorm in the distance, which I do have some videos of on my channel. But yeah, we'll go over here, and for now we'll park and keep an eye on this. Again, this is right now facing to the west. Downtown Montreal is right over there, more towards the north. And we'll see what we could see. And of course, patience is the key when it comes to storms. I'm not sure how much lightning or thunder activity we're going to get here. It could just be a small thunder shower, or it could end up turning into a severe thunderstorm, or at least a severe thunderstorm cell. There's a nice 2600 series bus, probably coming from Ile de Sor, Nuns Island. So from what I've seen, the lightning activity seems to be in this area around there. Well, I might even go past the bridge here, so I'm not really obstructed by this cement here. We even have an outdoor gym there. You can work out even if there's a thunderstorm here, protected. Looks like we got some CBC camera crew over here. Yeah, this is the perfect location right here. And if needed, I can get right underneath this overpass here, this bridge, the Ville-Marie Expressway, I believe it is. Or sorry, the Bonaventure Expressway, and take shelter. So we'll stay here for now. It's not too wet. And here's the Bixie bikes that I usually rent. focus now on, there you go, and exactly that. Nice thunder activity, lightning activity. Beautiful. Rain is starting to come down a bit heavier. And yeah, I'm zoomed out as best I can be. Now we do have a lot of metal structures around. We have some cranes here, some metal on these buildings. Of course, we have the REM line, which is right here. I'll zoom in. So there's a lot of targets for lightning, which will give us the potential for some good shots. Yeah, and now it is official. We have a severe thunderstorm warning. 5:36 p.m. Severe thunderstorm warning has now been issued for Montreal. So this could turn into quite the show. And I'm just gonna keep rolling, and we're gonna get our lightning activity increase, hopefully, as this progresses. I'm hoping for a nice lightning show. And just to show you, of course, there's downtown Montreal. Look how clear it is somewhat down there. But here's the approaching boundary, coming probably from the southwest, I'd say. Oh yeah, there we go. 6 minutes and 45 seconds into the video. Now, the hope that I have is this crane over here is going to get hit by lightning. This one right here in the distance. Or one of these cranes up here on these buildings. And of course, patience is the key. What I will do though is I will put on the video in the description. I will put where the lightning strikes are on the video, so you can go through them. So the rain is getting heavier, which means the center of the storm, or at least a large part of the storm, is coming over us now. And don't be surprised if we get some strong winds momentarily, which are usually associated with thunderstorms, thunder showers. And again, I'm keeping my camera panned in this direction because this is where I've seen the majority of the lightning. We have a couple of flashes, hoping for more lightning bolts. Hoping as well that tonight at some point, maybe in the late night hours, overnight hours, we'll get some storms as well. So it's a chance to film with a dark sky, which is always a treat. Still waiting for a couple of more lightning strikes. Hopefully we'll get some decent action here. Either way, I will upload this video. So from what I can see, the storm's moving from this direction right over the city, which is good for us because the lightning activity is hopefully going to move right over the downtown core, more or less. You could feel the cold, cooler air moving in. Cooler air mass, of course, usually follows a thunderstorm, not always. And I'm glad I decided to stay out tonight after work. There you go, a little bonus via train. A little bit of transit content for this video as well. There you go. Via train, probably heading towards Toronto, Ottawa. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rail cars on that one. You can see exactly where the rain is falling, right there. And over on this side it's clearing up somewhat. We still got cloudy skies, but yeah, look at this. Yeah, our storm is now in this direction, just as I thought it would be. Not the most intense storm I've experienced, but hey, a little bit of action is better than nothing, especially for this time of year. You know, we're in mid-May. It's a good time for the first storm of the year somewhat, you know. I'll have to go over and review the footage, and when I review the footage I'll see exactly how it turned out, the lightning strikes, because I do know one thing, when I do film lightning strikes and thunderstorms, they're not always the greatest, depending on the lighting and whatnot. But maybe with this recent software update on my phone, it improved the camera function and the ability to pick up lightning. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get on the bike here because, well, of course this is a rental bike and I am timed for it. So it looks like the rain is somewhat calming down. So we're gonna get back on the bike now, and we're gonna head over towards I guess we'll head back towards the old port here, because that's the closest station. And while we're going this way, it gives us a nice view of the sky down in the east direction, and we'll see if there's any action that way. So the rain's not too heavy now. You can see exactly where that storm is. So this is perfect because I could get the bike back to the dock, return the bike to the dock, and get a nice view here of the city where the storm is right now. Don't know what's being built here. I don't know if you can see, but there's low-hanging clouds right over the city. There's a specific name for them, which I learned of from one of one of the channels I subscribe to, which I'll put a link to. Probably put a link to in the description. That's a big sewer lid. And let me tell you, these flowers smell beautiful. Alright, we're gonna get back on the road here carefully. So I don't see much lightning activity as of now, but I'll keep filming anyway. We're gonna go over here, like I said, very carefully back onto the bike path, and I'll dock the bike over here. Maybe I'll cut the video in a moment or so, because like I said, I don't see much lightning activity anymore. But as the storm makes its way in the distance, you may see more lightning activity in the distance. And there's, of course, the old port of Montreal. You can see there's some clouds over there as well. That's where I started filming, which is right around here. And we're actually going back to where I started filming the video. There we go, we got some lightning still going on over there. Now we could, like I said, we could get more storms tonight. We could get more thunder showers, smells. We shall see. And I'll just pause as I cross here. Alright, so yeah, it looks like it's pretty much calmed down now. So anyway, a little bit of footage for the first storm of the year, first thunder shower. And Environment Canada, when they issue a severe thunderstorm warning, sometimes it does seem to be a bit exaggerated. I find they go a bit overboard when they issue those warnings, but at the same time, you got to be cautious. Alright, so we'll park the bike here in the dock, and I'll get a little view going up the street here while I do that, right after I park it. Let's see if we can see anything. Maybe even towards the west more than the north, we'll see some lightning activity. Oh, there you go, I got a little lightning strike there that just happened. Alright, so I'm going to wrap her up here, and if there's any more storms tonight, I'll definitely film and keep you all posted. Alright, have a good day, everybody, have a good night all, and more videos to come.